This is a homage beat.
YouTube, what's poppin', y'all? It's your boy D Hyde. Just want to welcome you guys back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day. Now, today's video, man, I will be showing you guys how I'm going to replace the blade on my Andis GTXs, all right? Now, the reason for me replacing the blade is because a couple weeks ago, I ended up taking off a little chunk off of the blade up here, man. They actually hit the counter, came down at a bad angle, kind of slipped out my hands, and took off a little chunk right here. I thought I can work with them, you know, just continue using them. But if I hold them at a wrong angle and I kind of get into that little sharp edge right there, it'll scratch the crap out of it. So I was like, you know what? It's time to replace them, man. I actually purchased these on Amazon for about 16 something, but they sell these in Sally's for about $25. So, you know, 16 compared to 25, hell of a better deal on Amazon, especially if you have Prime, then you get the 2-day free shipping. So, you know, not bad, not a bad price when you compare it to Sally's, man. But like I said, fellas, I'm gonna show you guys how I replace the blade today, and then also test it out and see how well it cuts when it comes to shaving my head with these, all right? So you guys stick around and let's get straight into the video. All right, you guys, so this is pretty much what I'm working with right now. I got the trimmers, the GTXs. As you guys can see, this is the part that I was telling you, it kind of chipped off right there. And then it has like this sharp ass point right there that was scratching the hell out of me, man. So I'm gonna switch these out today. And then I have the new blades, I have some oil, an old toothbrush, of course, my screwdriver. And this is the On the Money blade setter. I picked this up on Amazon about almost 2 years ago now, all right? And then of course I got my Cool Care. I can use this as a disinfectant, all right? So the first thing I'm gonna do is basically just open this up. I'm gonna take the blades off of here. Now, it's been a while since I've opened this thing up, man, and I'm telling you right now, I know it's dirty as hell in here, but I want to show you guys how dirty your trimmers can get if you're not really on top of them, which I haven't really been. Plus, my nephew and my son uses my stuff all the time, but look at all that hair that built up right there, all right? Just want to show you as an example, because I'm not going to use these anymore, I'm just going to throw them away. But yeah, see how clean that is now? But there's a lot of hair that builds up on here, all right? And that can also take down, you know, I guess it could take down your performance of your trimmers, you know, if you're not on top of them, all right? And then if you look in there, geez Louise, there's a whole bunch of shit in there, but we'll get to that. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna open up the inside to kind of clean it up while I'm already here. Now I can just go ahead and place these on there, but of course there's a lot of stuff in there I wanna clean out, so might as well open this bad boy and give them a full cleaning, okay? Let's open this bad boy up. All right, pretty dirty. I mean, it's not as dirty as I thought it would be, but it definitely has some hair in here that needs to be brushed out. Now, as you guys can see, there's hair all right there, all right? All inside housing. And you can just take all that out, man, with this brush. And then for this section, as you guys can see, all that buildup on there, this is where a lot of the hair is at also. Gotta take care of your tools, man. Gotta take care of your tools. I've honestly kind of neglected my trimmers for a little bit, man. So. All right. That's pretty much as good as it's gonna get for right now, playboy. All right, so all I'm gonna do from this point is basically just close this back up. Now that that part is done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my new blades. I already cut the back open. But everything looks good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and slap this on now. So basically all you do is you just keep this on there like that, all right? So See, as you can see, it's in that little groove, okay? See that little groove there? And basically it just comes over here and slides on, all right? So all you wanna do is you wanna keep that on there like that, flip it over, and then set that into its little groove area. Just align the holes. Flip it over, make sure this is on right. Let me go ahead and turn it on. All right, it's nice and tight. From this point, you can just drop a little bit of oil in on the side. And let that blade do its thing. All right. But everything sounds good, man. So let's give these a shot on the head. All right, you guys. So now this is the test to see how well they're hitting. All right. So got everything set up. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down a little bit with some Cool Care. Wipe off the little extra. All right. Okay. All right, now they did take the hair down, you know, pretty low, low enough to where, if you have a lot of problems with razor bumps and stuff like that, that'd probably be a good length for you. But I definitely want to see if I can get it down a little lower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and zero gap them. All right, I'm gonna use the On the Money setter and zero gap them and see if I can get a cleaner cut and see if it would scratch my head at all and leave any kind of like irritation on my skin, okay? So let me go ahead and set them real quick. I'm gonna come right back. Now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna unloosen these screws right here. You don't gotta take them all the way off, just trying to loosen them up a little bit. And then you can move this around, you see that? And this is how you're gonna zero gap them. And what I can do from this point is I can set them in here. All right, take this, push this all the way, push this top part all the way up till it reaches that flush. Okay, put your thumb there and just tighten this back up. There, you can just pop this back out. This is a harmonic beat. Now it should be zero gaps. Now I'm hoping that this shit doesn't scratch me up, but I want a closer cut, so that's why I'm doing this. Now, let's give this another shot, man, okay? Let's see how well these are gonna cut now. They are zero gapped, so I know you guys can't see it from the camera, but let's see. And yes, they are definitely taking it down a lot more, all right? And it's really not irritating my skin at all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and speed everything up, clean the head up, and then show you guys how everything came out. All right, you guys, so this is how everything came out once I made the adjustments. I zero gapped it, brought it down, brought the blades closer together so I can get a closer cut. It didn't irritate the skin at all up here, but with my skin being so light, you know, anything that I do to it as far as like running any type of like trimmers or clippers across my head will have it turn red for a little bit, but that'll eventually die down. But for the most part, everything came out real nice and clean. But it definitely gave me a closer cut with that zero gap. So you guys definitely, if you're gonna do this, test it out first, see how low it gets your hair. And then if you need to make any adjustments, just make the adjustments on the fly like I showed you guys. You guys can get this setter, the zero gap on the money blade setter on Amazon. But anyways, guys, this is your boy D Hyde. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I want you guys to have a safe, wonderful week. Enjoy yourselves. And I'll catch you guys next time, all right? Make sure you hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That way you guys are notified every time I drop a new video, and keep you guys updated on what's going on with your boy D Hyde and the channel, all right? Peace out.